In this video, we'll be looking at all the profile level settings and what they do. First of all, this section allows us to customize the avatar for this account. Simply click the Change Avatar button and select the image you'd like to use. Next, we have the personal and contact information. The email address here is the one that is used to sign into Veryfi, so just beware that changing this will effectively change your login username. The next field allows you to customize your personal veryfi.cc email address, which is the one you use as a means to collect documents. If you'd like to learn more about how our email collection process works, look for our YouTube video on how to email your receipts, bills, and invoices to Veryfi. And finally, we have the mobile phone number field. Having this populated allows admins to send SMS messages to team members directly from Veryfi. Once you're done making changes in this section, hit this Save button. You will also notice this Delete Account button. When you delete your account, all of the data stored at Veryfi for all of your profiles will be permanently deleted. If you're the only admin of the company, all of the data for the entire company, including all other team members, will also be permanently deleted. If you're currently signed into one of your non-primary profiles, you will instead see a Delete Profile button here. When deleting a profile, only that profile's data will be deleted. If the profile is the only company admin, that profile's entire company will also be deleted. Please be 100% sure that you want to delete a particular profile or account before doing so, as any related data will not be recoverable. Moving on now to the next section, we have the default currency and auto currency detection settings. This setting is particularly useful when traveling abroad and collecting documents in foreign currencies. Next, we have the default time zone settings, followed by your preferred date format. If you don't like the way dates are displayed by default, you have a few other options to choose from here. If you'd like to specify a default sales tax to apply when a tax value isn't found on a document, enable this setting and also specify the tax percentage amount here. For example, in Australia, you would specify 10% for the national GST, so that this would automatically be populated in your documents when the tax isn't specified on the document. Just be mindful that not all goods and services attract a sales tax, and these settings could create false positives in such scenarios. The next two settings let you specify additional taxes to collect individually. For example, you may want to capture the Canadian HST and PST taxes individually. Including them here will result in HST, PST, and also the total tax to be listed on your documents. Next, we have settings for the monthly budget and whether documents can be marked as reimbursable. This auto forward emails back to me setting controls whether emails you collect via your veryfi.cc inbox are forwarded to your login email address after processing. This is particularly helpful if you've set up your various services to send your receipts directly to your veryfi.cc address, but you still want to retain a copy of those documents in your own email inbox. The other option here would be to set up auto forwarding in your own email account to automatically forward your relevant receipts, bills, and invoices to your veryfi.cc address. The next couple settings are applicable if you're using the Veryfi Logbook app. This first one lets you choose whether you want to use your country's standard mileage reimbursement rates or a custom rate. The second setting controls whether an odometer reading is calculated and included for each trip inside your logbook reports. Next, we can control how long an idle session will remain signed into your account. If you use a shared computer for work in Veryfi, we recommend you use a short time period here in case you forget to sign out before walking away from the PC. This next setting is for the line item feature. When you enable this setting, Veryfi will automatically extract all the line items for your documents, giving you a more granular record of your finances. This feature is currently in beta, but is steadily improving in accuracy. Once you've finished making changes in this section, click this Save button. The final section controls which notifications will be included under this to-do bell. These notifications help you make sure that all your data is complete and up to date. They apply to this month's worth of activity and alert you to things like documents with missing vendor or category, unviewed reports, unmatched banking transactions, and so on. You can toggle which of these you want to see individually, or you can disable them entirely using this switch here. That's it for the profile settings. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, you can contact us at support@veryfi.com.